so dark before the dawn. That's when it gets to me, before the city symphony of taxi horns. That's the way it always starts, sitting here and waiting on the beating of my heart. Last night I thought I heard my name. Well, it was too dark to see, but it had to be, the voice was just the same. That's the way it always starts, sitting here and waiting on the beating of my heart. So tell me, why should it have to be this way? Why can't it be alright? Why can't I sleep at night? Why should it have to be this way? Why must there be this price to pay? Stick around, you can live anywhere. That's the way it always starts, sitting here and waiting on the beating of my
Indeed, yes, I remember it well. Ah, excellent. Hamilton, yes.
That's right.
Well, may I welcome you to Fawlty Towers. I trust your stay will be an enjoyable and a gracious one. We put you in room 12, which has a charming panoramic view overlooking the lawn.
What a driver. Everything on the wrong side of the road, the weather. What do you get for living in a climate like this? Green stamps, it's terrible. Sorry about this. Took 5 hours from London. Couldn't find the freeway. Had to take a little back street called the M5.
Well, I'm sorry if it wasn't wide enough for you. A lot of the English cars have steering wheels.
Was the dawn creation of the underworld, caves were born with thunder, and the sheets of flame cascading like the morning light, the dawning of the underworld. Origins of earth and space to take the place, features star with colors raining all over, the brightness of the morning sun, the glory of the morning sun. Tell me of the way of things, and as a beat to can't divide our hearts and eyes will holding out so closely now. Keep the peace, we'll always see the dawning of the truth, the overworld. Pain is one as no surrenders higher, even higher, ever true to you. of the disc. Next to the box top promise of the biggest prize. Joining a fan club with my friends. Filling our bathrooms with t-shirts and 8x10. You look so dreamy, I'm in love from afar. When I'm picking up a falling star. Downstairs the late show's blasting into the rock. The moon's playing last Sunday at the Milky Way. Mom's writing checks to the minister in the corner singing Big Brown Tree. 'Cause if you wanna go to heaven, all you gotta do is pay to pray. Joining a fan club with my friends. Filling my bathroom with holy water and amen. You look so dreamy, I'm in love from afar. When I'm picking up a falling star. Shake that booty for me, Saint Pinocchio. You made your money, now what's that money grow? Joining a fan club that's me wanting. Where's that lampshade cloud on the phone? It's so dreamy, staring back at me. While I'm picking up a falling star. A fan club, I see the heart burn when I think about all of the steps I wish I loved them before they crashed his car. Say a prayer for a falling star. You don't love me, oh, if you don't love me. You can tell me anything.
Now look, we drove from London to stay here, right? Are you telling me that you can't stay open a few minutes longer so that we can eat properly?
What, we can do sandwiches? Ham? Cheese?
We want something hot.
Toasted sandwiches?
You're joking. Not really. Can you believe this? What the hell's wrong with this country? You can't get a drink after 3, you can't eat after 9. Is the war still on?
No, but it's the staff, you see.
Oh, the staff.
We have to get the staff.
How much? What? How much of this Mickey Mouse money do you want to keep the chef on for half an hour? 1, 2, 3, 20 pounds, huh? Is that enough?
I'll see what I can do.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
They go to take cases up, but in tip-top hotel like Fawlty Towers is better I do this. And Mr. Fawlty, I go into kitchen.
Gosh, that does look absolutely marvelous. Oh, Terry, I almost forgot. Some guests have just arrived right at the last moment, as usual. Typical. I'm sorry, but this puts us out just as much as it puts you out.
Don't put me out, Mr. Fawlty.
No, but they want some dinner, you see, and they insist first on scraping off some of the filth that somehow got caked to them cruising down the M5.
Well, I've got my class tonight, Mr. Fawlty.
But Terry, just...
Righto, Paul.
No, wait, do you know what I'm saying? I mean, I will make it up to you, you know, out of my own pocket.
It's not the money, Mr. Fawlty. My karate means a lot to me.
All right, half an hour's overtime in a taxi.
Mr. Fawlty, if I miss a week, next week I don't get out in one piece.
An hour's overtime.
Sorry, Mr. Fawlty.
What am I going to say to you?
2 hours. What? 2 hours overtime.
I thought you said it wasn't the money.
It ain't, but I can't think what you're going to say to your guests.
Look, Terry, I'd pay you 2 hours overtime if I could afford it.
Sorry, Mr. Fawlty.
No, an hour and a half.
Cash?
Cash.
All right, hour and a half, but I go at 9:30, then I still get some of me class, right?
Well, and I do the washing up.
Well, you know how it is, Mr. Fawlty.
Yes, I know how it is. I pay you for an hour and a half. You clear off after half an hour. That's how it is. That's socialism.
Oh, no, that's the free market.
Come on, Terry. Mustn't keep the lady waiting.
The lady?
She's from Finland, Mr. Fawlty, and very pretty. Tall, blonde...
This Finnish floozy's your karate teacher, is she?
Well, it's a sort of karate, innit?
Right, give me that.
What?
I'd pay you overtime to miss a class, not to keep some bit of crumpet hanging around.
Yeah, but you...
No, it's all right. I'm doing the washing up. I'll do the cooking, too. You go off and enjoy yourself. Don't you worry about me. You go and have a good time. I'll be all right. Go and have a bit of fun with a Finn.
And quiz controls his boys. Now I'm gonna kind of fast square toys. Out of step, dig on a spoil. TV and Charlie, and group and quality. We got me now, but it's still a theory. She got on Charlie, you take your Camry. Blast me, bigger names, I'll die. Have a Kanagi, come deep the zodiac. The Joe and it's that kill Joe. Fashion system, man on the how, yeah. Put that me now, but it's still not clear, yeah. She roll Sally, you take your Camry. Blast me, Linda McCartney, and Buddy Tree, I knew he met he can't hide it. It takes a while to save a zoo. When you bring out and baby out the cool, yeah, yeah, yeah. And now he's got it. That's me, just does Sam Danny. Rachel Connells, the Martha McCarthy. That's me, it's vanilla strawberry. That's me, it's pastissimo baby. That's me, it's play my heart. That's me, it's yes,
Now, please, you can make your LP record while Mrs. Fawlty take break and have cigarette with supper and read nice book.
If you'd care to sit over there. Thank you.
Good evening. Good evening. Is your room to your liking?
Yes, it's very nice.
Very nice, thank you. Oh, good.
I'll just get you tonight's menu. Oh, would you care for a drink before your meal?
A scotch and water and a screwdriver, please.
And for you, madam?
The screwdriver's for me.
I see. Would you like it now or after a meal?
Oh, now, please.
There's nothing I can put right?
What?
Absolutely. So it's one scotch and a screwdriver.
I gotta join you. Make that 2 screwdrivers, would you?
You'd like a screwdriver as well?
Got it.
Fine. So it's one scotch and you each need a screwdriver.
No. Forget the scotch, 2 screwdrivers.
And orange.
That's right.
I love it. Gloomy.
Croeso bwrdd arall yn drysu Egwyddorion a blaen o'r ieithau Diffyg cyfiawnder yn y tŷ Mae'r ffarmwr mawr flin yn y beidi Gwartheg yn gwisgo hancesi Ar ôl crio drwy'r nos ac ido drwy'r dydd Cyfiawnder dal yn bryn yn y tŷ Pan weles I dylygu dyn yn drwm o fyny'n oesau I o ie A'r haelad llawr yn ang y tîn o'n ti a mi yn herio'r oriau Daeth y boen yn llybyddio wrth y cariad yn cwleidio Mae'r tywydd mor braf yn sgwar Delfryd oedd yn chwarae gitar Ar ôl canu drwy'r nos a chanu drwy'r dydd Cyfiawnder dal yn bryn yn y tŷ Dynion sydd yn ei gadw Maen nhw'n diobel o ddiffyg cyfarwydd Dim eisiau datblygu, dim eisiau arbrofi Mewn ar milwyr, 1, 2, 3 Pan weles I dylygu di yn dringo fyny'n oesau I o ie A'r haelad llawr yn ang y tîn o'n ti a mi yn herio'r oriau Daeth y boen yn llybyddio wrth i'r cariad yn cwleidio Tath y milwyr yn gwrthod ei seithi Bys dim rhaid i'r pregethwyr bregethu Tath yr milwyr yn gwrthod ei seithi Bys dim rhaid i'r pregethwyr bregethu
Presumably you wouldn't mind if I said goodbye to my wife. She is under the knife tomorrow.
It's an ingrowing toenail.
Oh, you know, do you? Well, that'll help. Just take care now, and if you can think of any more things for me to do, don't hesitate to call.
Finished?
Just, thank you so much.
Not at all.
Charmed, I'm sure. Ingrowing toenail, right foot. You'll find it on the end of the leg. Evening, Major.
Evening, Faulty. Hampshire won.
Did it? Oh, isn't that good? How splendid.
Oh, Faulty, how's
My wife?
That's it.
Fine, absolutely fine.
Seltzer, a melodrid, and me, fine, I'm a mangling, quite a gimme, scabbard on the cooper glow, I'm a stuffy, from a machine, but Karoo, fake my Walter glow, and Grammy, I'm in the force, no, I'm a cupboard, hitting out food on Gloria, Put
be rather tiring.
Well, one has a choice.
Yes, well, I don't think it would suit me. I rather like it down here. It's very mild all the year round. We have palm trees here in Torquay, you know. Do you have palm trees in California?
Burt Lancaster had one, they say, but I don't believe him. What the hell is that?
Vodka and orange juice.
Orange juice.
I'm afraid it's not fresh.
Isn't it?
No.
We've just opened the bottle.
Look, fresh means it comes out of an orange, not out of a bottle.
Ah, you'd like freshly squeezed orange juice.
As opposed to freshly unstrewed orange juice, yes.
Leave it to me. I mean, I'll get Chef onto it straight away.
Sorry about that. A lot of English people are used to the flavour of the
Oh,
bottles.
it's all right. It's just that back home, fresh orange juice comes like running water.
Does it really? Of course, it's so good for your skin, isn't it? I'd love to go to California someday. Looks so exciting.
Oh, Never Love a Stranger. Do you like it?
Oh, I love all Harold Robbins. I've read this one 3 times.
The Pirates is his best, I think. I read them when Harry's away. I just don't seem to have the time when he's home.
Who needs Harold Robbins when you got the real thing?
How long have you been married, Mrs. Forty?
Oh, since 1485.
There we are, fresh orange juice.
Thank you.
But seriously, though, his men are all so interesting. Ruthless and sexy and powerful.
Who's this then, dear? Proust, E.M. Forster?
Harold Robbins.
Oh, yes, of course, yes. My wife likes Harold Robbins. After a hard day's slaving under the hairdryer, she needs one wine with a few aimless thrills. Have you ever read any? Oh, it really is the most awful American, well, not American, transatlantic tripe, sort of pornographic muzak. Still, keeps my wife off the streets.
We both like him.
Oh, Robbins.
What?
Harold Robbins. Oh, I thought you meant that awful man. What's his name? Harold Robinson. Have you read any Harold Robinson?
Wedi bod ym mhell I ffwrdd, wedi syrthio am y ferio, am y bobl nes I gwrdd. Os ti gen ti medde rhai, a'i wynebau am o werth. Ti'n siŵr o gyrraedd y brig, cyn cael dy gladdu yn dy fedd. Drefn mewn blygrydd cil sy'n blin o amser fferi ac yn bwyd o'r cyd. Gai fydd heddwch meddwl os dwi'n cefnu ac yn ffoi, mae'r groes ffordd yn fy nghosi, dwi'n ceisiau ysgoi. Clismyn parasitic yn cyfarwydd o ar o ras. Dim ots da fi be maen nhw'n meddwl, mae e'n fwy na'r pop a mae e'n fwy na'r jazz. Planet entaro yn erbyn ei gilydd, ser yn ffrwydro tylledu. Cyfansoddir gan apocalyptaidd, yn gystafell mond fi sy'n sylwi. Bydd am newid y drefn mewn blygrydd cil sy'n fy mlin amser fferi ac yn bwyd o'r cyd. Gai fydd heddwch meddwl os dwi'n cefnu ac yn ffoi, mae'r groesffordd yn fy nghosi, dwi'n ceisio osgoi. cyrraedd y groesffordd ar ôl gyrru trwy'r nos. Mae'r goliadau'n wyrth ac yn galw dos. Mae fo lwynion yn sgwars, mae fy lliw braidd yn gam. Dwi am werth i fy ngherbyd a gofyn sut, ble a pham. Beth am newid y drefn mewn blygrwydd cul sy'n fy mlin o amser ffedi ac yn bwyd o'r cul. Gai fydd heddwch meddwl os dwi'n cefnu ac yn ffoi. Mae'r groesffordd yn fy nghosi ceisiau ysgoi. Plant bach annwyl tu ôl i'r drysau cudd. Gorfod deall egwyddor y cariad rhydd. Sdim byd yn waith na cangor teisi drud. Siarad yr iaith fel rhyddiaeth myd. Sut mae cysoni'r teimladau, mae'r ddaear yn llawn trwch y nebau. Tair blynedd ar ddeg ar hugain heb atebion. Dawar allan wy'n ffurflenni gobeithion. Mae'r gem yn hyn, llasgwyd fy ngherdyn atgofion. Gad i mi dianc i diogelwch a ddewidion. Sut mae cysoni'r teimladau, mae'r ddaear yn llawn trwch y nebau. Pa hawl sydd gennyf fi gwyno? Mae rhywun yn rhywlen diodde mwy na ni. Am bob griff rhys mae na dif datblygu. Cryfder y gorucha, cryfder y gorucha, cryfder o'r gorucha sy'n goroesi. Sut mae cysoni'r teimladau, mae'r ddaear yn llawn trwch y nebau. Diolch am y dawnsio, diolch am y to, diolch am yr heilwen, diolch am y clo, diolch am dy galon, diolch am dy law, diolch am y deall I dderbyn beth ddaw. Diolch am y cyngor, diolch am dy wyn, diolch am yr ring a'r boen a diolch am fod yn glyn. Diolch am y papur, diolch am dy drwyn, diolch am y prydau bwyd a'r ffaith na cheid I fyth dy ddwyn. Rhyfeddwn na ein bregus fyd, och neidiwn eto oll ynghyd. Gwagedd ym frost, dyn ar waith, ai dyma'r cwbl ar ben y daith. Diolch am y melys, diolch am y car, diolch am y rhannu chwerw wrth y bar. Diolch am feirniadu, diolch am y tân, diolch am y coffi, diolch am y gan. Rhyfeddwn ar ein bregus fyd, och neidiwn eto oll ynghyd. Gwagedd ym frost, dyn ar waith, ai dyma'r cwbl ar ben y daith. Diolch am y geiriau, diolch am y ffôn, diolch am y golau, diolch am y dôn, diolch am y seren ac am y bydd, diolch am y bywyd, diolch am yr hedd. Rhyfeddwn ar ein bregus fyd, gweddiwn eto oll ynghyd. Gwagedd ym frost, dyn ar waith, ai dyma'r cwbl ar ben y daith. bore mae'n clywed sŵn radio Mae'n agor y llen I ar drws Sefyll o flaen I wirionedd Gweld ei lyged mor glws Wedyn mae'n gwisgo I sanau Box y short streipio gai Gris Heb anghofio I drws I sai sgidiau Jwmpwr sy'n drewi o chwys A mae'n meddwl pwy pwy, pwy be Ond y sneb yn egluro Dillad ar y lein Dyna ffein roedd y gwyntoedd mor gryf Garw dy obaith a thegwch Yn chwerthin a chria Mae'n bryd iddo fflio Bob nos mae'n dychwelyd i'w wely I ddarllen ysgrifen mawr gwyrdd Teledu Mae ddeiant mewn amrywiol ffyrdd A mae'n meddwl pwy, pwy be Dys neb yn egluro Dillad ar y lein Dyna ffein roedd y gwyntod mor gryf Maniana gedi adael dy obaith a thegwch Chwerthin a chria Mae'n bryd iddo fflio Pob bore mae'n clywed sŵn radio Agor y llen I ar drws Mae'n troedio o flaen Y gwirionedd Y gwirionedd Y gwirionedd Y gwirionedd Y gwirionedd
Eisiau dilyn y hanes o'r ddechrau i'r diwedd.
Yusuf drives a taxi Kathy sings the blues Sing a dream's reality